young learners, welcome to Oxbridge Learning the Fun Way with Palak Gupta. In today's video, we are going to learn about vowels and consonants. Remember, it's not vowels, it's vowels.
अच्छा
There are 26 letters in English alphabet family. Letters A, E, I, O, U are vowels. All letters other than vowels are called consonants. For example, B, D, G, K, L, M and many more. Let's understand it with the help of examples. In this word, cat, A is a vowel. In this word, tin, tin, I is a vowel. In this word, glue. Now, what are the vowels here? Correct. U and E are vowels. In these words, letters other than vowels are called consonants. For instance, in cat, A is a vowel, but C and T are consonants. In this word, tin, I is a vowel, but T and N are consonants. Write down the consonants in this word in the comment section. I hope you learned and enjoyed today. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.